Hi, I'm doing a video today on my 5 Arrma RC truck. A clear body. I use this clear body when I'm going bashing, when it flips on its lid and all kinds of stuff. It's pretty cool. It's got my Thieves decal on it and the Arrma Creighton decal. So I run this and bash it, and then when I'm in the house and when I want to display the truck, I put the original body on. Most of the stickers are gone. I removed them. There's the fuel filler sticker and the windshield and the 2 side window stickers on there. There's some stickers on the front too, the lights and the grill and stuff. But so this is my display body, and this is my bashing body. I'll put these over here. Try not to make noise. These bodies are noisy. So this is the truck, the Arrma Creighton. It's mostly stock. I did upgrade the front and back chassis with, or chassis braces with Hot Racing chassis braces. I have a T-bone bumper on the front for when if you nosedive and hit the front. And also Proline Racing HP 3.8 inch belted tires. The original tires that were on the Creighton are now on my black Notorious over there. But these are belted tires and they won't balloon out. Normal tires, when you run them at a high RPM, they do the pizza cutter effect and balloon out kind of. But these won't balloon out. These will go and run like real tires. It's got scratches on it. I've been running it quite a bit. That's my first truck that I bought, and that got me excited in the RC truck hobby. It has been bashed. Now what Arrma did was they used the clear body that these come with, like the Creighton there. The bodies are clear. And usually you paint the inside and you have a nice finish on the outside. But what Arrma did was they painted the inside, although it does show black on the inside, but that's a coating on top of the other coating. They painted the inside a steel-looking silver color, and they painted the outside with a flat black. Now when you go bashing and you scrape and scratch the truck, you end up with what looks like steel. And they call it real steel paint job. And it looks really cool. And so I've got other bodies so I'll have different, so each body then acquires its own kind of paint job, unique paint job, which is really quite interesting. This is the Notorious chassis. It's got the Creighton wheels on it. And I did a few upgrades. I've got Hot Racing chassis braces, front and back, a T-bone bumper on the front, and what else is, oh, that's about it. It's a pretty stock truck, works really good, having lots of fun, all scratched up, doing lots of stuff. I enjoy the hobby immensely. It's so rewarding. So much fun. This is the 10th anniversary Arrma Outcast body. It is quite interesting. It has a 10th anniversary shield on there. Outcast. Quite interesting. I did show you the Notorious. Now the Notorious has red anodized parts, red anodized shocks, the cross brace, a motor mount, and other parts. Now the 10th anniversary Outcast has clear anodized parts. Shock towers, shocks, cross brace, and other parts in clear anodized aluminum. Also, on the bottom, we'll center it for the other camera here. They've got a laser etched graphic on the bottom. 10th anniversary shield, 2009, 2019. 500 vehicles worldwide. 10th anniversary limited edition. That's what it says there. And it has a plate, license plate sticker. It says 2009, 2019. Otherwise, it's pretty well the same as a Notorious. And I'll be driving it as my Sunday drive, probably. I don't know. It's a collector's item, really. The Limitless. This vehicle will go upwards of 100 miles an hour, 120 miles an hour, depending on what kind of equipment you've got on it. The spoilers and such can be modified. And I'm going to be running stock, like I was showing you, basically stock equipment from Arrma, and because it'll go fast. There'll be plenty of time later on to upgrade to faster stuff, but I'm going to be staying with the basically stock equipment. So this is the chassis. You've got red anodized parts, motor mount, cross brace, shocks. It's brand new, no scratches, nothing. I kind of enjoy having to wait for parts because then I get to watch or look at a brand new vehicle. And this is so cool to look at. It's quite the vehicle. I removed the stickers from here because stickers, there's a curve here, and stickers don't like curves. When you get into the curve, they'll fold, or they'll cause a bit of a wow. So I removed the stickers on top, but and it looks good. So this is the infraction that I have. It is basically this very similar chassis to the Limitless. These tires will smoke. You do donuts with these things and they'll smoke up. You put two 3S batteries in there, 6S, and away we go. There's a splitter. I blew off the splitter. I've been running this thing quite a bit. Blew off the splitter at one time. Put it back on, but then the splitter is for when if you go like 120 or more. I mean, some people are running 130 plus miles an hour, real miles per hour. That's like in kilometers. I mean, that's 200 or more kilometers an hour. My goodness. So basically, those are my 5 trucks, and so I will say sayonara. Take it easy. We'll see you later. Bye.